Okay, welcome out to the farm. We have some water jugs here. We're going to do an experiment. I've never been able to do this because I don't own a 300 Blackout, but we're gonna shoot a subsonic 300 Blackout, a subsonic 338 arc. This is the 107 Sub-X bullet. What do we think is going to happen with these water jugs? We're not gonna be able to capture the bullet. I'm pretty sure that it's going to go through them, but at 100 yards, our velocity should be something where the bullet should be still expanding. I hope that they don't just pop right through. That's, if the Sub-X bullet pops right through, then we're gonna know a little bit of something about that. The 300 Blackout ammo is from Callaway Ballistics, and it is their bore axe. I don't remember the weight, but I'll put it up here on the screen.
Yeah!
Oh.
Could you see it in the scope?
Yeah, I saw it explode.
That was fun.
Oh, that's loud.
Nice.